To create a PayPal business account, start by going to the PayPal website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Select Business Account and enter your email address to begin the registration process. You will then be asked to provide basic business information, including your business name, address, and phone number. Next, you will need to provide additional business details, such as your business type and industry. This information will help PayPal verify your account and provide you with the right features and tools for your business. After providing your business information, you will be asked to create a password and security questions to protect your account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password, and answer your security questions carefully. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to you by PayPal. This will help secure your account and allow you to start using it right away. To fully activate your business account, you will need to link a bank account or credit card to your PayPal account. This will enable you to receive payments and transfer funds to your bank account. You can do this by going to the Wallet section of your account and clicking on the Link a Bank or Card button. PayPal will then ask you to provide your bank account or credit card information. And you may need to confirm a small test deposit to verify that the account is yours. Once your account is linked, you can start using your PayPal business account to send and receive payments. As a best practice, make sure to keep your account information up to date and monitor your account activity regularly. To prevent any potential issues, you should also take advantage of PayPal's security features, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your account from unauthorized access. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a PayPal business account that meets your business needs and helps you manage your online payments efficiently.